Big accident right here. Just happened.
Oh, wow. Mark, thanks. Thanks. You say, boss. You're doing good. Just pass it. Pass it too quick.
No.
Don't look to it. Don't look.
Oh, I'm not looking to it. I'm trying to miss all the other stuff and get the people off the, because they don't see it.
Don't look to it. Don't look.
Oh, I'm not looking to it. I'm trying to miss all the other stuff and get the people off the, because they don't see it.
Why you cross the stop, bro? You cross the stop, bro. Why you cross it? Why you didn't stop? You didn't stop, bro. I got a camera and everything. You didn't stop. I was going straight. Bro, I was going. You didn't. Alright, just call the police, whatever. Hello? Baby, te llamo luego. Bye, baby. Bye. Bye.
Oh my God. Oh shit!
Hey, I wonder what's working. You want to stand out when your customers are online?
Ad paid for by the Sentinel Group. Attention parents with a child diagnosed with autism or severe ADHD. A recent congressional study found dangerously high levels of toxic heavy metals like mercury, lead, and arsenic in many popular...
Babe, it's fine. Was that you or him?
No, it wasn't me.
Too many corners when you listen. They just hit each other. That's unfortunate. You want to get out of their cameras? Yep.
Did you get the license plate?
I have a recording piece. I'm not sure what that did though.
Did you record it? That girl, I swear to avoid her. Did you record it?
This thing is always recording.
And okay, so did you get her license plate? I work in insurance. Did you get her license plate? Did you see her coming onto the highway when I was driving straight?
All I saw was what I was doing. Oh, shit!
Nó nhiều bầu với sữa vịt da luôn, hai vợ chồng ngon luôn.
Bây giờ thấy ông bán này là bán không được rồi đó. Cái gì vậy?
It's okay. You got your camera. It's okay. It's okay. Can you try to see if we can get off the road? Hey!
30, then keep left.
Oh, what the f, Christine? Record this shit, man. What is this? Call 911, hurry up. ¿Qué te pasa? ¿Qué te pasa, güey? No te pegué nada. Estoy con mi esposa yendo para la casa. ¿Por qué estás así? No te hice nada. No te pegué nada.
Tienes secuestrado a mi hermano.
¿Pero por qué a mí, güey?
Me equivoqué, papá, disculpa.
Pero ahora vos tenés que hablar. No, come on, man.
Sí,
me chingaste en mi carro, man.
It's on my phone.
Okay.
It's on the seat.
Okay.
I can't call. Your phone is me.
Okay. Yeah, I...
Hey, you alright? What's that?